A power tailgate is a standard feature on all Ford Everest, and here's 3 ways on how to open it. First, this is most probably the common way on how to open the tailgate, which is you just need to press the button here. Yan. And automatic na siyang aakyat. And then to close it, you just need to press the button right here. And kusa na siyang bababa and magsasara. Next is through the key fob. So you'll see the trunk release button here. You just need to press this 2 times. Then automatic na mag-open yung tailgate. And then to close it, ganun din ang gagawin mo. You just need to press it twice. And then magsasara na siya automatically. Finally, last but not the least, the last way to open the tailgate is through the button right here on the left side of the steering wheel. So, isang press, it will open. And then if you want to close it, ganun din, you just need to press. And then magko-close na siya. And that's 3 ways on how to open and close the power liftgate of your Ford Everest.